Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage side projects with GitHub, complete guide step by step clearly. To manage side projects using GitHub, begin by creating a GitHub account if you don't already have one. Log into your account and familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Next, decide on the project you want to manage. Create a new repository by clicking the New button on your repositories page. Give your repository a meaningful name that reflects your project's purpose. Add a brief description to provide context about your project. Choose the visibility settings for your repository, public or private based on your preference. Initialize the repository with a README file, which serves as the initial documentation. Once the repository is created, clone it to your local machine using the provided URL. Open your terminal or command prompt and navigate to the location where you want to store your project. Run the command git clone followed by the repository URL to download the repository locally. Navigate into the project folder using the command cd followed by the folder name. Start adding the necessary files for your project. Use git status to check the current state of your files. When you are ready to add changes, use the command git add to stage all modified files. Following that, commit your changes with git commit m your commit message here. This message should clearly describe what changes you made. Push your changes to GitHub using the command git push origin main. If you are working on a larger project, consider creating branches for different features. Create a new branch using the command git checkout b branch name. Make changes in that branch and repeat the previous steps to add, commit, and push. Once your feature is complete, you can create a pull request on the GitHub website to merge your changes into the main branch. Review any feedback from collaborators and make additional commits if necessary. After your pull request is approved, merge it and delete. Keep your repository organized by regularly reviewing and updating the README file. Consider using GitHub issues to track bugs or feature requests associated with your project. Leverage GitHub projects to manage tasks and visualize your project's progress. Make use of GitHub Actions for automating workflows to enhance project efficiency. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.